Hi Jinath, how are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good too, thank you. So can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, sure, sir. I am Nabila, a BE graduate. Currently, I am pursuing automation testing with the Selenium and Python,
Mm-hmm.
backed by the successful completion of manual testing, Python, HTML, CSS, DOM, and MySQL for creating test scripts. I am eager to apply my new testing skills.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I have 5 years of work experience in non-voice field. I have the ability to solve client issues,
Mm-hmm.
acquiring new clients, and good team building.
Okay, great, wonderful. Right. So how much comfortable you are with Java,
No, Selenium with Python, sir.
Python? Okay, okay,
Yeah.
right. So fine. So why do you want to switch to testing?
Actually, long back I decided, sir, but I didn't get the right time to join in any class.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Suddenly, my hubby got relocated to Bangalore.
Okay.
Uh, so I left my son in Chennai.
Mm-hmm.
So I got one new opportunity. So I want to use this platform. So I joined in GUI actually.
Okay,
So then I started learning automation testing with Selenium and Python.
got it, got it. So which are the
Yes.
different exceptions you have faced in Selenium so far?
Actually, they didn't start Selenium, so till
Mm-hmm.
Python only they completed HTML, CSS, manual testing.
Okay, okay. So now let me share my screen.
Yeah,
Right.
okay, sir.
So yeah. So is the screen visible for you?
No, no, I'm not able to see. Yeah,
Hmm.
now it's clear.
Right. So this is one of the program in Python language, right? You're supposed to tell me the output of this program.
Yeah, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Uh, Q1.2, Q star 3. Okay. 2 R into 2 are 4. Okay. 4, 4 3s are 12. 24.
24. So can you
Yeah.
explain the output? How did you get this output? 24.
Yeah. First, initially the variable x is assigned to 2.
Mm-hmm.
Then, in the first case, x is equal to r of x. 2 into 2, 4. Now x value is 4. And now currently x value is 4. Then we are applying to s.
Mm-hmm.
4 into 3, 12. And last case, x is equal to r of x. Already x value is right now 12.
Mm-hmm.
R of x, 12 twos are 24.
Correct, correct. So output will be 24, right?
Yeah,
So your
yeah.
calculation is correct. Okay, now let me show you another program. Okay. Now what would be the output of this program?
Those are 4. 2.
2,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so output will be 2, right? And this type of division is called truncating division,
Lower division.
right?
Okay.
Right? Hmm. Okay, great.
Lower division, sir.
Truncating division, truncating.
Truncating. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now let us. Okay, which are the different data types that you will have in Python?
Diffs,
Hmm.
int, float,
Mm-hmm.
string, and boolean,
Hmm.
list. No, no, no. Int, float, string, and boolean.
In float, string, and boolean. What about dictionary? Will you have that as a data type?
I think it's data structure. It's come under.
Mm-hmm. So which are the different data types that you will have in Python language?
Can you repeat once again, sir?
Yeah, which are the
Which?
different data types that you will have in Python language?
Yes, same. Int, float, string, and boolean. I think list, tuple, set, dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, during the data types, you can if this question is asked, you can tell about text type, that is string. Numeric types will come integer, float, complex, right? Then you will have
Okay.
list, tuple, and range as sequence types, right?
Oh,
Then
sequence types. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. In Boolean type, we will have bool, right? Binary types, bytes, byte array,
Mm.
memory view, right? So these
Okay.
all are the
Yeah.
data types for Python. Okay, now which are the operators in Python?
Yeah. Arithmetic operator,
Mm-hmm.
relational operator, and logical operator.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Assignment operator.
Right. Okay. Logical operator, assignment, then bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators are also there, right?
Oh,
So
okay, sir.
these are the
Yeah.
different
Okay.
operators that you will have. Now let's say if you have to perform some operation with respect to file handling in Python language, then how will you do it?
Okay.
Hmm.
There are some operations like write
Hmm.
for will use X for write,
Hmm.
and read, or it indicates R. Write, read, append. If we need to append any text or anything like that, A, we will use A.
Hmm.
Then yeah, finally we need to close the file, f dot close.
Hmm. Okay, see, for file handling, the key option for, if you want to work with files in Python is the open function. Okay, open function, it will take two parameters, file name and mode. Now, in mode,
Okay.
as you were telling, there are different modes.
Yeah.
Read, right? So you will have to pass R. It will open a
Yeah.
file for reading, and it will throw an error if the file does not exist.
Exist. Yeah.
And then A is for append, right? It will open the file for appending the text. It will create the file on runtime if it does not exist, right? Similarly, you will have W. It will open a file for writing, right? It will
Writing.
create. It
Yeah.
will also create the file if it does not exist, right? And last is X. It will create the specific
Create.
file,
Yeah.
right? And it will return an error if the file exists. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, sir.
so these are about Python file handling operations.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Mm. Now, let me share my screen. Yeah, is my screen visible to you?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you tell me positive test scenarios for this website?
Okay. Test scenario. Okay. Uh, we can check the by giving correct username and
Check what by giving the correct username? What do you want to verify?
whether its login functionality is working or not.
So along with entering the correct username, you will have to provide correct password as well, right?
Password.
Mm.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the
Correct
captcha.
username and password and captcha
Mm.
to check for login functionality,
Right,
whether it's
right.
working fine or not.
Mm-hmm.
Then if we are a new user, whether that register button is working or not, we need to check whether a register button is working or not.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you are clicking on home product or services, how do I it's navigate to the correct page or not, whether the URL is navigate to the correct page. If you are clicking home page, then it has to go to the home page. uh, then right side the language, we can check whether the language, whatever we are selecting the language, according to that it's working or not. Then what else? Yeah, we can check whether the logo is correct or not, logo spell error or anything like that, whether it's correct or not. Mm, yeah, I think yeah, for same for forgot username functionality is working. We can check whether the forgot username functionality is working or not. Yes, that's all
Yeah.
I think.
Okay, okay. Good, good. So now, apart from this, you can also add test scenarios related to this enable virtual keyboard. If you enable this virtual keyboard, if you check this checkbox, then are you able to enter the text from the keyboard keys itself, right?
Okay,
Then
okay,
secondly,
sir.
yeah, then if you select audio capture, you should be able to hear the audio capture properly. Yeah, is that working fine? Then other point is, let's say if you enter uh, the username in lowercase letters, but it is case sensitive, then it should not work, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then you will try to open this website in your mobile also, and you will test from the mobile, Android, iOS device, whether it is working fine or not, right? And
Yes.
then, yeah, then you will verify this copyright option is there, right? Logo, I think you covered. Copyright option is displayed correctly or not.
Okay, okay, sir.
Right, then these particular things that you will be also trying to verify. What if your user gets locked? What if you're not able to log in after multiple attempts? Then how are you able to unlock it,
Unlock. Yeah.
right? Then what if you are getting any image capture? So let's say if you enter incorrect captcha, then you should not be allowed to log in. Are you able to reset the
Yeah, reset button is working.
but
Yeah,
yeah,
okay, sir.
yeah. So all those things you can cover.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Okay, now tell me negative test scenarios for this website.
Yeah.
Mm,
If you're clicking, if you're giving any wrong URL,
mm,
like in the by clicking home button, the developer has write wrong URL means it will not navigate to that home page. The same is for all the menus. And come to the username, maybe it may be the maximum maximum letters to be entered is around 16, means it must accept 16 only. And it should not have special characters. No, it should not have, yeah, it should not start with special characters or symbols, anything like that. And coming to the password, password also the character must be 6 or 8 characters, and one must be uh, special characters and number. Another one may be number. Then uh, okay. Then
So,
if you are giving wrong password also, it should
mm,
not allow us to log in.
if your
Wrong
user
password
account
or
is,
username.
yeah, if your user account is logged, then also it should not allow you to log in,
Yeah,
right?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, yes. Then yeah, same for like about online SBA forms. Once we are clicking that, it should if the URL is wrong, it should not navigate to that navigate to about online SBA or forms page. Then what else? Yeah, again the same thing is coming for new user and register. The
Mm-hmm.
URL must be correct, or else it should not go to that respective page.
Mm.
I think that's all, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So what is the difference between alpha testing and beta testing?
Both are done at the client place.
Hmm.
Alpha testing is testing the UI and functionality of the application,
Hmm.
um, functionality of the application, and beta testing is uh, the third party user will test the application who is not aware of the code or not aware of the code or anything or applications. They will check only look and feel and whether it's user friendly or not. These both are comes under user acceptance testing.
Mhm. So can you please come again with that point? Look and feel of what? Yeah.
Look and feel of the application, whether the
Mhm.
application is user friendly or
Okay.
whether it's easy to use.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So see, in a real-time interview, if you get this question, then you can explain alpha
Yes, sir.
testing. It will involve both white box as well as black box testing. While beta testing, it will use only black box testing. Alpha testing is performed by the testers who are usually internal employees of the organization itself, the internal testing team, right? While beta
Okay,
testing is performed by the clients who are not part of the organization.
okay, sir.
Hmm. So that's how it happens. Then you can also explain the, yeah. Then you can also explain about the um, alpha testing is done at the developer's end, while beta testing will be done at the end user, is performed at the site where the end user of the end user is there, right?
Yeah,
Then alpha testing, it will require some kind of a testing environment or some kind of test lab, while beta testing does not require such kind of testing environment. Alpha testing will take longer execution time because the development will be done from the scratch. Everything would be
yeah,
done,
yes.
right? While beta testing, it will be done within a few weeks of execution. Then in case of alpha testing, multiple testing cycles are done till the product is stable. While in case of beta testing, hardly one or two test cycles are enough because the product is almost stable. They just have to do high level testing,
Yeah, yes,
right?
yes,
During the alpha testing, the developers can immediately address the critical issues because internal testing team will be coordinating with the internal development team directly. While in beta testing, there will be a
okay,
feedback kind of a process where feedback would be given and then testing will be implemented, right? So that's how it is done, alpha testing and beta testing. Okay. Now, what do you mean by
yes.
pilot testing?
No, I don't know, sir. I didn't hear
Oh,
about this term.
okay, okay, no worries. So let this be an open question for the people who are watching this. Please comment down the
Okay.
answer of the question. What is pilot testing? Okay. Okay, which are the different testing techniques that you are aware of?
Okay.
Hmm.
Equivalence partitioning,
Mm-hmm.
boundary value analysis, decision table, then mm, yeah, that's also.
So what is the difference between equivalence partitioning and BVA?
Yeah, equivalence partitioning will write the test cases for valid and invalid inputs,
Mm-hmm.
and for boundary value analysis, we'll write the test cases for on boundary, upper boundary, and lower boundary.
Mm-hmm. Upper boundary, lower boundary. Okay. And in
On
equivalence
boundary,
partitioning? Yeah, on boundary. And in equivalence partitioning?
we'll write test cases for valid and invalid. Will not cover the boundaries there.
Okay. Valid classes, invalid classes.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. While doing Selenium automation, which are the different locators that you are using?
Mm. They didn't start, sir, but I know
Mm-hmm.
something. I'll say that
Yeah, yeah.
ID,
Mm-hmm.
ID, class name,
Okay.
XPath, CSS selector, uh, then mm, ID, class name, tag, tag name. With the help
Mm-hmm.
of tag name, we can locate the elements. Uh, that's all, sir. That's all I know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. See, tag name is there, class name, ID,
Yeah,
XPath, name, link text, partial link text, CSS selector,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
these,
Just a link
yeah,
text. Yeah.
yeah, these all locators you can use. Okay, now let's Python. Okay, now let's say if I want to remove the punctuation from some given string, right? So how can we do that?
Remove punctuation.
Punctuation, yeah, yeah, from a given string in a Python language. Then how can we achieve that? So can you write a program for the same?
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll try,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. I'm giving you screen sharing, right? So you can click on share screen button.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, are you able to see
Mm-hmm. Just a
my screen
second.
is visible, sir?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I want to remove punctuation.
Punctuations from the given string.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir, I'm not sure about this.
Okay. Okay, no worries. So let me share my screen.
Yeah, 1 second, so I'll
Yeah.
stop share.
Yeah, it will automatically get stopped, not to worry. Okay, so now there are many ways to do this, right? But
Okay.
what we will do is we'll use string.translate method that is available in Python, right? What it will do, it will remove all the punctuations from the string. Okay, so first you can write. So this is the
Okay.
program, this is the explanation, right? So it will instruct the Python method to eliminate punctuations, right? Different kinds of punctuation, comma, exclamation mark, semicolon, right? So import string, and this
Okay.
is one of your string. Okay, and
Yeah, yes.
yeah, then use this str.translate method, string.translate method. Okay,
Mm,
then this will be your output.
okay. Actually, I didn't hear about this import
Okay,
string dot translate.
yeah, no
The
worries,
words
no
are
worries.
new to me.
Yeah, that's totally fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So any other ways? Sorry, sir. Sorry
yeah,
to interrupt. Any
no,
other
please,
ways,
please go ahead.
sir?
Yeah, there are various ways, so I'll show you other ways also. So I have copied those things. Let me scroll down. Yeah, see, there are multiple ways. You can use string with translate. You can use string with a Python loop. I think my screen sharing got stopped. Yeah, now is it visible?
Yeah, yes, sir. Now it's
Hmm?
okay, sir.
See, you can remove
Yeah.
comma with a Python loop. You can remove punctuation from a string with your regex. You can use regular
Yeah,
expression
just
using for loop, not an operator, right? Using replace method also you can use,
okay, sir.
right?
Okay,
So
actually, I tried that one only, but
using
not sure
replace
about
method you are trying.
Yeah, yes, I tried,
Yeah.
but don't know.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
no worries,
Okay.
no worries. That's totally fine, right? So that's it, Jeenat, Nabila, right? Thank you so much and wish you
Yeah,
all the
thank you,
best.
sir.
Wish you
Yeah,
all the
thank you,
best for
sir.
your career ahead. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
thank you.
Sir, I'm having one question, sir.
Yeah, just a second.